Good morning everyone and welcome back. After a May Day long weekend blast, we realized we need to make a few changes to our bike for us specifically and for 2UP riding. We started off with the 50-liter soft bag from BMW, which was great, and we got it originally with the RT. But what we realized is you have to have it fully stuffed in order to make a really good backrest, and it wasn't really walking. We were wanting something different for our setup. So we did some research and we came up with a hard box that I'm going to show you in a second, and we're going to make a few changes today. We picked up this Givi 58-liter Trekker Outback hard case. Put the backrest on it. You can see that there we go, thank you cameraman. And so we did a lot of research on which box we wanted. And then the one thing that we did a lot of research on but couldn't find anything was the actual bracket that we needed specific to our bike. We had to do a lot of research and could barely find a location to get the bracket. So I'm gonna open the bracket now and we can see what it comes with. So this there. But I also will link it into the description and where we found it. This is the bracket that we picked up, and this is specific, or so it says, specific for the BMW R1250 GS Adventure. It says 2014 to 2016 on the packaging, but we're hoping it's gonna work for our bike. It's a 2023. So this is what it comes with. All of these packaged bits and pieces. The plate, so that looks pretty sturdy. Aluminum, in case we want to return it sticker. And a bag full of stuff. Now the interesting thing is the instructions to put it on is all pictures and not in really good order, I think. Anyways, I have put a lot of IKEA furniture together in my day, so I'm hoping that's gonna be coming in useful this morning as we try to put this all onto the bike. So follow us and let's see how this goes.
So I think I'm going to take this off again and put Loctite on it. Keep it loose for now. Now, next up. 3, 4.
that Mike has those kind of loosely placed. You can see down here though, they're kind of just loose. He's going to tighten them all up.
Okay.
So we put the spacer in between the plate and the actual rack. You put the long one in the middle, right there, and the shorter screw goes in the back, right there. And now we put this bracket on. I'm gonna try and do this again. And hopefully they fit once we tighten it all there. That spacer goes on the bottom part of the bar, not the top. As you can see where Mike has put it in now.
This one takes a 13mm wrench just to make it different.
Notice the spacer. Okay, we tightened everything up. Okay, and it looks like it's on there pretty darn good. You can see the bracket actually plays a role, so I don't know if you can tell that right there. But other videos we saw, people were saying you didn't need them. We're 100% certain that they were required. Okay, this is what it looks like with the box on. See, looks pretty good. And stay tuned for our next video when we do a review on the actual top box itself.
Welcome to
The other Jasper.
On the Bike with Mike.
Jiffy Trek Outback. I guess I need to start that part again. We picked up this Jiffy Trekking Outback 58 liter.
Tracker.
Okay. We picked up this trucker. We picked up a
GV.
trucker. He's just gonna pull us in the truck.